Hey friends, if you wish to fix WMI provider host high CPU usage on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the Windows Management Instrumentation Service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. So scroll down to the W section. This is in alphabetical order. You'll find the Windows Management Instrumentation Service here. Right click on it and select restart. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on next, select full scan, click on next and let it go through. The last solution is to update the drivers. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on advanced options in the right pane, select optional updates and install all the optional updates. Now return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.